Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. Today I'm going to be opening up my SoSusan subscription. This is one subscription that does not cost a lot of money. I am going to find out the exact price. I think I paid $107 for 6 months. So I will go ahead and put that here somewhere if I'm incorrect. But if memory serves, $107 for 6 months. You always get a palette of some sort and a makeup bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I haven't even opened it yet. I look forward to this subscription. And I don't get Ipsy anymore. So I look forward to the little makeup bags and goodies they give me. So here's the bag that they gave me this time. Looks like cacti. So yeah, Kimmy from Kimmy's Boxes. If she's watching this, she loves cactus. Don't you, Kimmy? Okay, let me go ahead. I gotta put my glasses on because I gotta read what this is. It usually comes with it usually does come with some sort of, you know, a card that says what you're getting. But I guess this one didn't for some reason. So that's all right. So I'm getting this, it says Skin Reverie Body Glow Moisturizer. A body glow moisturizer. A creamy dreamy moisturizer that imparts hydration and incandescence at the same time. I don't know. Lotion. All right, that one's down. Let's see what else I got. This is lip oil by Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics right here. So let me go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. I do want to start using like lip oils at night before I go to bed. This is like a bright, like an orangey color though. I mean, this is orange. I know it might look red in the camera, but this is definitely an orange color. Let's see if it says, it just says Satsuma. I don't know if you can read that, or is that upside down? Upside down, sideways, I don't know. But it does look awful orange. I'd have to like, I don't know if I'm even gonna bother opening it because I do have some lip oils and I don't like the color. It'll probably just shine. I don't think the color will stick on you. I think it's like more of a, like it says, an oil. So I don't think that is gonna be an issue, but you may see that in a giveaway because I'm probably not gonna keep it. So this is also by Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics, Nebula. Right here, it looks like, I'm assuming this is an eyeshadow. Go ahead and open it up. They usually have a product guide. I don't know why they don't this time. Ooh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. It says on the back, Alien is the name of this. Yeah, it's eyeshadow. That is super pretty. So think I may keep this in my collection. I'm not sure yet. I tend to use palettes a lot more than I use single eyeshadows. And let's see what else I got in here. And here is the palette. This one's small. I don't know if you've seen any of my other unboxings, but sometimes they are bigger. This is just seems like a small one this month. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got, if I can. Hi, Brooklyn. Brooklyn, everyone wants to say hi to you. So it says SoSusan Cosmetics on here. And let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, here it is. So I'm not thinking that this is eyeshadow. I'm thinking this is some sort of highlighting palette. Let's see what it says on the back. I wish I could read it. It says enhancement. Looks like it says I can't read it. It just says enhancing palette on the back. I don't know. Can you guys read that little tiny writing? Even with my glasses on, I cannot read it. I mean, they're pretty colors. I just don't really understand if this is for highlighting. I'll probably just use this for eyeshadow anyway. So I really don't know. Let's go ahead and swatch this like bluish color or purplish color. It's definitely like a multi-chrome thing. If I put it up there, does my face turn purple or blue? I don't know. I don't think so. Let me go ahead and put it up here too. Oh, I see it. I do see it as I'm putting it on now in this mirror. So I'm willing to bet that I just put eyeshadow on my cheeks because that's something that Kelly would do. But I don't know. It's pretty regardless. So anyway, that is what I got from SoSusan for this month. The month of, I believe this is their April bag. Yes, it is April already, isn't it? So that's it. And I gotta stop saying I don't know why I'm doing that a lot in this video. Everyone, thanks so much for taking your time to watch this quick little video. And please give it a like, and also please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my purple cheeks or blue cheeks. Let's see. I don't know. I think it is highlighter. I don't know. I don't really use a whole lot of highlighter, but I know that highlighter does come in different colors. So I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.